cleaner, I ended up taping 2 drawers together, and the painter's tape really helped them stay flush. Then I went ahead and laid this stencil on top of the 2 drawers. Because the stencil fits so much better on the project using the 2 drawers, it was so much easier to create this raised stencil design. I just took the mud and it was like icing. I just iced it. I don't know how else to explain it. It's pretty darn fun though. I will say that once you have some of the mud smeared on to this stencil design, it holds it down. So you don't really need a whole lot of tape or adhesive to keep the stencil down. If it's laying nice and flat, once you start doing the raised stencil technique, that, like I said, the mud or the wood filler or whatever sort of paste you're using to create the raised design, it'll hold that stencil down. So it gets easier the more you apply. And here's where the magic happens. I always have so much fun with this. Check this out as I'm pulling the stencil up. You may notice a few areas are a little heavy. They're not perfect, but no worries. You just take a toothpick or something that fits in there nicely and you can correct it, no problem. Also, because the 2 drawers were together so tightly, I actually took an X-Acto knife and just ran it right down the center so it divided the design up nicely.